5 seconds. Start. But this will be disastrous for an economy on the brink of default. Full stop. The government has already choked the economy to avoid a default as foreign funding dries up thanks to slumping relations with the IMF. Full stop. A populist, or what Finance Minister Ishaq Dar has described as a welfare oriented pro investment and business friendly budget, will be fraught with the risk of Pakistan being pushed deeper into economic depression and away from multilateral and bilateral lenders. Full stop. With the country confronting stagflation marked by flattening economic growth, soaring unemployment, and spiking inflation, there has never been a more compelling case for a budget that focuses on fiscal governance and structural reforms for longer term economic recovery and sustainability. Full stop. Pakistan needs foreign financing, including loan rollovers of more than to meet its external debt payments over the next 3 years. Full stop. That will not be possible without the IMF on board. Full stop. A fiscally irresponsible budget can make a new deal with the fund even more difficult. Full stop. Domestic revenue resources also remain scarce. They are insufficient to cover the debt servicing costs, let alone finance development, defense, salaries, pensions, etc. Full stop. That makes the proposed fiscal stimulus and relief to the common man aimed at wooing back voters impractical unless the government is prepared to throw all cautions to the wind and resort to drastically increasing domestic borrowing and accumulating more debt, bringing greater misery to the public. Full stop. The upcoming budget will be more a test of the government resolve to stay the course and restructure the economy to steer it through uncertain conditions rather than provide temporary relief to people and businesses for short term political gains. Full stop. Sadly, the indications so far are that the government is more likely to follow the fiscally imprudent path rather than follow through with the reforms it has promised its lenders to ensure longer term economic stability. Full stop. The end.